In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an account from your Instagram account center. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure you complete it correctly. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open the Instagram app on your device. Once the app is up and running, take a moment to look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see your posts, followers, and other personal details. Next, focus your attention on the top right corner. You'll notice a small icon that looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu icon. Tap on it. This action will open a menu with various options available for you to choose from. In this menu, you'll need to select the option called Account Center. This is the central hub for managing your Instagram and Facebook accounts. Particularly useful if you have multiple accounts or if you want to link them together. Once you're in the Account Center, scroll down a bit until you see the option for account settings. It may not be immediately at the top, so make sure to scroll slowly and carefully so you don't miss it. Tap on Account Settings, and this will lead you to another menu. Here, you'll find a choice labeled Accounts. Tap on it to view all the accounts linked to your Instagram. You'll see a list displayed here showing all the accounts that are currently linked within the Account Center. Now find the specific account that you want to remove. Scan through the list until you locate it. Once you find the desired account, you'll see an option labeled Remove next to its name. Tap on Remove and you'll be just a step away from completing the process. After tapping Remove, a confirmation screen will appear. This step is crucial as it's Instagram's way of double-checking to ensure you truly wish to remove the account. To confirm, you'll need to tap Continue and follow any additional on-screen instructions that may appear. These prompts are generally easy to follow and will guide you right through the final steps. And there you have it. By following these instructions, you've successfully removed an account from your Instagram account center. It's a handy piece of knowledge if you're managing multiple accounts or just want to tidy up your digital presence. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to check back for more useful Instagram tips and tricks.